This is the Google Pixel 8a, and Google says it gives you flagship-level smarts without the flagship price. But after using it as my daily phone, emails, photos, doom scrolling at midnight, I realized there are a few things Google doesn't really emphasize in the ads. Some are genuinely great, and some might be deal breakers depending on who you are. So the big question is this actually the smartest mid-range phone you can buy right now? Let's talk about it. Google Pixel 8a Product Overview. So what exactly are we looking at? This is the Google Pixel 8a, Google's latest mid-range smartphone, released in May 2024. It sits right below the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro, and it's aimed squarely at people who want a smooth, reliable phone with an excellent camera and long-term software support without spending $1,000. The big selling point here is simple. You get Google's Tensor G3 chip, the same brain found in the pricier Pixel 8, plus Google's AI features and 7 years of software updates. On paper, it sounds almost too good for the price. But how does that actually translate to real life? Google Pixel 8a Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it feel day to day? Here's the thing. The Pixel 8a feels fast in the ways that actually matter. I used it for everything from Slack to Gmail to YouTube, Google Maps, and some casual gaming, and it rarely hiccuped. Apps open quickly, multitasking is smooth, and scrolling through social media feels responsive thanks to the 120Hz display. That said, this is not a gaming powerhouse. If you're pushing heavy games like Genshin Impact on max settings, you'll notice some warmth and occasional frame drops. But for normal humans, streaming, texting, photos, navigation, it's rock solid. What surprised me most is how consistent it feels. No weird stutters, no random lag spikes. Google's software optimization really shines here. It's the kind of phone where you stop thinking about performance entirely, which is honestly the highest compliment I can give. Features and tech. Let's talk about the features that actually make the Pixel 8a special. First up, Google's AI tools. Features like Magic Editor, Best Take, and Audio Eraser aren't just gimmicks. Magic Editor lets you reframe photos or remove distractions in seconds, perfect for fixing vacation shots without opening Photoshop. Best Take is clutch for group photos, swapping faces so everyone looks their best. Third, voice typing. This is still the best in the business. It's fast, accurate, and surprisingly good at punctuation. If you send a lot of texts or emails on the go, this alone is a quality of life upgrade. Fourth, 7 years of updates. That's huge. Most phones in this price range get maybe 3 or 4 years. With the Pixel 8a, you're getting security patches and Android updates into the 2030s. That means this phone won't feel obsolete anytime soon, and that's real value for your money. Camera performance. Let's be real. People buy Pixels for the camera, and the Pixel 8a absolutely delivers. You get a 64-megapixel main camera and a 13-megapixel ultra-wide. And while the hardware hasn't changed dramatically, Google's processing does the heavy lifting. Photos come out sharp, balanced, and incredibly consistent. Skin tones look natural, HDR is excellent, and night sight continues to be borderline magic. You can pull this phone out, snap a photo, and trust it'll look good. No tweaking required. Design and build. Design-wise, Google kept things familiar. The Pixel 8a has a matte plastic back with an aluminum frame, and honestly, it feels nice. It's lightweight, comfortable to hold, and less slippery than glass-backed phones. The 6.1-inch display is a great size, not too big, not cramped, and the bezels is slightly thicker than premium phones, but nothing offensive. This doesn't scream luxury, but it does feel practical and well thought out, and for a phone you're probably going to slap a case on anyway, that's totally fine. Pros. Excellent camera performance for the price. 7 years of updates, seriously impressive. Useful AI features that actually save time. Cons. Average battery life compared to rivals. Charging speeds are pretty slow. Not ideal for heavy mobile gaming. Final verdict. So who is the Pixel 8a actually for? Look, if you want a phone that just works, great camera, smooth performance, clean software, and long-term support, this is an absolute no-brainer. For students, professionals, and anyone upgrading from an older Pixel or mid-range Android, it's one of the safest buys out there. But if you care more about ultra-fast charging, top-tier gaming performance, or flashy hardware, you might be happier with something from Samsung or OnePlus. For everyone else, the Pixel 8a nails the fundamentals better than almost anything in its class. It's not trying to be exciting, it's trying to be smart. And honestly, that's exactly why it works.